Hi guys, so today we're gonna play Tower of Hell, and I'm on computer right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna suck a bit.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording, whatever, Stefan. Okay, so we're gonna play Tower of Hell, but I'm in a computer. Okay, so we're gonna use shift lock because I'm just good at shift lock. I win a lot of times with shift lock. So, if he never made a computer video, actually he did once, I think. Well, whatever, this guy just went away. Wow, thanks a lot, God. Wow, thanks a lot. That's not the first time I went to the second stage. Because I didn't record sometime and I got to second stages sometime. Look at there. Oh. God, please don't push me again. Yeah, whatever, that sucks. Actually, that is what it sucks. Anyways, yay, that's it for Tower of Hell. Now, onto a new game. Okay. Comment down below if you want to play a difficulty chart hobby on me on computer or maybe my tablet. Yeah, whatever, Mr. Cappy, you play on mobile just like I do, but now I'm on PC. Yeah, whatever, Mr. Cappy. Oh, Robert Fox, my other best friend. Yeah, maybe Peace is online, whatever. Oh, yeah. She's online. Wait, is she? No, she's not online. Oh, 1D direction. 1D direction. D1D1, yeah. Not even online too. Oh. Hector, yeah. I can't even spell your name, Hector. I can only spell sushi. Yeah, whatever. That's his. That's not his full Roblox username. His full Roblox username is SushiBro13. If you want to add him, maybe we'll just decline and nobody cares. Okay. Yeah. Time to play another game.
Oh
my! No, not Super Dooms. No, I don't play that game on PC. What I do play on PC, yeah. Yeah, I went to Flamingo. I went to the Flamingo raid and become a junk bot like I am right now. Yo, Control C. That's why I'm Control V. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's how you paste. I'm ready to copy. Oh, what? Whatever. What was that? Okay, whatever. Oh, what? Yeah, you want me? Oh, what the heck? Oh, got it. I just want to copy this one. Okay, well, yeah, whatever. I'm not playing this. Not playing anything. Oh, thank you for watching.